Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to change emergency contacts on iPhone iOS 18. So if you already set up your emergency contact on your iPhone on iOS 18 and I want to change the emergency contact maybe from your spouse to your father or from your father to your colleague, then here are the steps you need to take. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change emergency contact info on your iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Health app. On the Health application page, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. Now, once you click on that, you want to scroll down and then click on Medical ID. Then on the Medical ID page, scroll down to Emergency Contact here and then click on Edit. Once you selected the emergency contact, you're going to see what you have as your emergency contacts on your iPhone. You can just delete this. Now, to add another contact to the emergency contact, click on Add Emergency Contact. Then go ahead and select the contact you want to add as your emergency contact on your iPhone on iOS 18. And then select your relationship with this person. Here, if the person is your wife, your spouse, your doctor, whoever the person is, just go ahead and select it here. So this particular person is my brother. So go ahead and select brother and then tap done. Then when next you want to put a call through using the emergency contact, this contact will be available for you to use. So that's basically how to change or edit emergency contacts on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.